message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. All broadcast and cable stations will transmit this message. The government of the United States has declared a state of national emergency. The coronavirus pandemic has infected more than 25.6 million people in the United States and continues to spread. Hospitals across the nation are becoming overcrowded to the point that some people are not getting treatment. At this time, stay in your home until said otherwise by local authorities. If you or anyone in your family experiences coughing, fever, or shortness of breath, do not leave your home. Hang a white piece of cloth to anywhere that can be seen, and local authorities will come and pick you up for testing and treatment. If it is an emergency, call 911 immediately. Food will be delivered according to your size of family. Stay tuned to media news networks for more information.